Hi everybody, in this quick video tutorial I'll be showing you how to insert a animated accordion menu on your web pages. Those menus would be really good if you have a lot of text and you want to combine or just kind of make the layout a little tighter so the user doesn't have to scroll down too much to go to the bottom of the page to read the text. It would be really good, for example, for restaurants and well-being websites. So I'm using one of your peers' work here just as an example to insert the accordion. So I'm going to just make sure to define the site, and I already, I think, did that. Yes, I did that. Okay. You want to make sure you define your site. That is really, really important, because with these jQuery files, if you don't if you don't define your site, none of these options would work properly. I'm gonna load the index page in, and actually menu, let's just go to menu. So under the menu, I'm gonna go over here, and let's say I want to add like an accordion here. So if I go to my insert, make sure you're on bootstrap component, move down on the page, and then you'll see an option that says accordion. If you click it, it says how do you want to insert it? You want it before, you want it after, you want it wrapped. I want to say put it after the menu. It should take a minute for it to insert. Actually, it just added a paragraph tag. Let me just get rid of this paragraph tag. I'll just move down here. I'm gonna, sometimes if it doesn't work, just try it again. There we go. Okay, and then you could see this one has 3 sections, and as you could see, I have my main accordion, then I have let me just put it on the code. So you could see that each section is identified by chord. So this is first section, this is the second section, and this is, you could see the panel, like panel 1, this one is panel 2, and each section basically you see the 3 closing divs, and then you have the third section. Let's say if I want to have one other section, always copy and paste the middle one. Let's say instead of 3 I want to have 5. I'll simply come back and copy and paste it, and the only thing that you need to do now is to change the numbers. So for example, here's my panel 1, 1, 2, 2, this one would be 3, 3, and this one would be 4, 4, and you may not even want to have and then this one would be 5. You may not even want to have 5. You may want to just be happy with the 3, but this is how you always, if you needed more, this is where you would want to copy and paste it. And then from here I'm going to so it says I can give it the name, whatever name I want. Let's say I'm gonna go to panel 1. I'm gonna just change the topic, the header 5. Maybe I'll just say breakfast menu, and here would be basically the content or whatever it is that, you know, maybe the menu. I think I'm just going to copy this lorem ipsum here. And you can insert, you know, remember the white text is basically the static text that you can copy and paste. Make sure you don't delete anything other than, you know, don't delete or change any of these other texts that are in color. So if I save it, let's go preview it. And now you could see I have my menu, and and each of these basically I could customize it however I wish. I can change the color here based on if I want to have a use my personal color palette. You could basically direct it, go to the CSS of the accordion. You also have options to add buttons, different types of buttons. They're right here. But this is based on what I'm looking at on your projects, this is one of the very useful tools that you have available to you. They're pretty advanced, and then you can put a lot of like content in there, and make it the file so the information is clear and sort of broken down in a way that the user can understand it. So this is how you insert an accordion on your page. And also, just quickly to show you how customizing it too is pretty easy. If you highlight the text, you'll see that it'll highlight the active link for the dome and the dome. And if I come back here and make it click on the current, and if I click on the A, because that's the active, it'll show the blue color, and I can go ahead and just change it to like some other color, maybe like an orangey color. And now you can see that my links basically updated to that specific color. So this is again a very easy way that you can insert like a sub menu using the accordion tab. And if you have, let's say, a lot of text on your page, it's a very easy way to organize your content and also modifying it to reflect your color palette.